Welcome to RealityMAX. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a simple 3D room, from building walls to adding textures, lighting, and more. First things first, choose your preferred unit of measurement. Click the RealityMAX logo, head to Settings, and select inches, meters, or feet. Now, let's build the structure. Click the cube icon to add a floor. Then, switch to Wall Builder mode using the wall icon. Click and hold Shift while dragging to unlock full 3D movement. Click once to set the wall's starting point, move your cursor, and click again to place the end point. To connect walls, just snap to an existing wall until it sticks. Then click and drag to create the next one. Need to resize a wall? Hover near its edge until it turns blue, then click and drag to adjust. Use the gizmos to scale and move your floor and walls, or enter precise values under the transformation panel on the right. Let's give your room some style with textures. You can drag and drop a file onto the object, use the Materials section to upload a file, or browse our library by clicking the Open Book icon. Now bring your room to life. Click the plus icon to add basic shapes or browse pre-made assets in the library. Want to upload your own files? You'll find supported formats in the Help section. Let's set the mood. Customize your scene's background, apply an HDRi, add lights for that final touch, and add effects like bloom or reflections to enhance realism. All done? Just click Publish to share your room with the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.